So we're here at Osbaldwick Primary Academy, part of Ebor Academy Trust. The school had ageing infrastructure, Wi-Fi 5 access points, switches that were 10 years old, couldn't be centrally managed, and we wanted to bring them up to the modern era.
So I think with the old network, it was fragile, it was unreliable. You know, we have an ambitious curriculum at Osbaldwick Primary Academy, and a lot of that content's digital. So teachers were preparing quality lessons, and it would be frustrating if we drop out of the Wi-Fi. That means lost learning. What we've got now is a more robust system where teachers can deliver with confidence at the front of lessons, put on 30 devices that sync together. One of the things Omada has been able to help us with is having separate guest access and pupils and segregating those under the umbrella of safeguarding.
Working with TP-Link to create a wireless design, we've ensured full site coverage from density where needed and coverage for outdoor spaces. With the hardware specifications we've put in, we feel this will future-proof the school for 7, 8, 10 years potentially. With the warranty that Omada provide, there should be no ongoing costs. The school can have faith in the system we've put in and know there's no further expenditure. As a TP-Link Platinum partner, nothing is too small, too big. They support us weekly. Any questions can be asked, any support requests, always answered promptly with a friendly, helpful manner.
So the technology upgrade isn't just an IT refresh, it's an invisible facilitator. So for example, the outside, that's particularly pertinent for early years. Teachers are now able to think, well actually, how can we get that digital content in all lessons across the curriculum?
We've helped the school meet the latest DFE standards using a combination of Wi-Fi 7, new Cat6a cabling, allowing 10 gig connections between the access points and switches.
So we've had this for 6 months and it's gone seamlessly. Teachers are more confident, it's reduced workload, certainly it's increased their staff well-being. And I'd highly recommend Omada by TP-Link.
From an MSP point of view, we would recommend Omada by TP-Link for all education institutions, from schools with 20 pupils up to thousands.